Parents are reacting tonight after state health officials revised mask guidance for child care programs. Originally, the Department of Health and the Office of Children and Family Services said children ages 2 to 5 in child care would have to wear masks. But after lots of pushback from parents and lawmakers, things have changed. Ellie Peters spoke with the parent of 5 who says she's relieved by this news and what it means for her kids.
A lot of parents weren't too happy that kids as young as 2 would have to wear face coverings this summer. A local mom told me she was even considering not sending her kids to daycare until last night's new guidelines were announced. Laura Barbados sent her 2 twins to daycare yesterday with masks on for the first time in 15 months.
One of my sons was crying about it. He has sensory processing disorder and he hates the way that it's on his ears, and it's very difficult for him to communicate. So he needs to see faces and he needs his face to be seen.
After a lot of controversy, the state reversed its masking guidelines, saying children ages 2 to 5 no longer have to wear masks. Parents say they're relieved because making toddlers wear face coverings isn't easy.
It tugs on their ears. They play with the masks. I see children touching their masks. I see kids taking them on, taking them off, switching masks, putting it on a table. You know, they're not always wearing them properly.
Camp leaders are preparing for a busy summer, and while they're still waiting for more direction from the state, these guidelines were a start.
We're super grateful to have gotten these guidelines now, with a little bit of time to prepare.
Camp directors say for kids ages 6 through 12 who can't get vaccinated, safety guidelines aren't super clear.
What I'll say is, if you're going to a camp that spends most of their time outside, there will be lots of time where kids will have to wear masks and lots of times where they might not have to, depending on some of the testing requirements and testing decisions that camps are able to make.
Masks will still need to be worn by staff and children during transportation. In Rochester, Allie Peters, News 8.